Hey everybody, and welcome back to another ETMN Google and iOS tutorial. I'm Victoria Olson, and today we are exploring Google Slides in tutorial number 4. So last time we explored Google Docs, and we opened one of the Google Docs that we were testing on from Google Drive. So please note that any one of these kind of apps, so Docs, Sheets, or Slides, you can open those files from the Google Drive app. But today we're actually going to explore how to open a Slides file from the Slides app, so a new one. I'm going to click on the Slides app here and open it up. And what's going to happen is you're going to see all of the different types of files that I've either saved to my drive, that have been shared with me, or that I've created myself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a brand new brand new Slides document from the Slides app. So that yellow plus in the corner is where we're going to want to go. So I'm actually going to cancel this so you can see that yellow plus. Okay, yellow plus, and we're just going to call this test slides, just so you guys can see them. And this is a very new app. This is the newest of the Google apps for education on iOS, and it is actually pretty robust considering it's one of their newer apps. So of course this is a PowerPoint style presentation application from Google, and what you can do is you can create different presentation slides. So I'm just going to say slides presentation presentation, and you can do the whole thing where you can move your text in different places, so you can see it's really great with the formatting there. Google has that nice little centerpiece. You can format the text inside of that box. So if I want to play with the text, I can play with the different size, type of text, different highlights, different text colors. So I can play and kind of customize to my theme here. The other thing I can do is I can also play with different line weights and things like that. So right now there's no line weight around this, but I can kind of play with those kind of features there. As far as different things go, I can bring in speaker notes. So if I'm creating a presentation that I would like to have speaker notes there, I can show them and add things there. And once again, just like the Docs app, this right-hand side has all of the different details for sharing and exporting and everything like that that we've explored in the previous tutorials. So if you don't know what I'm talking about there, you can check those out. At the very bottom left corner, I want to bring your attention to the little plus button, and we're going to click that. It's going to give us some options for different types of slides that we can add. So if I add this kind of slide, I'm going to get that kind of feature. If I want to play my slides back to me, all I need to do is press that play button, and it's going to let me actually view my slides and flip back and forth between what they look like. Now, of course, I have a basic title slide and a blank slide right now, but obviously the more you add, the more you'd show up, or more would show up there for you. If you want to get out of this, you need to tap in the black bar at the top and click the end button, and that will allow you to get out of this. Now, as far as the themes go, there is no theme at this point that is super obvious, but you can add different things on your own. So it's not as robust, as I said before, with the different kinds of themes that you can access in Google Slides, but it does allow you to play a little bit with some of that formatting, and I'm anticipating that the developers are working on bringing more robust themes, like some of the slides that you'll see in my list here. So these are slides that I've created on the web version, where you can see I've brought in it's taking a little while to load here, but where I've brought in different images and different formatting and different colors. So that is a little bit more robust, but if you have kids working on a basic presentation together, there's really nothing wrong with collaborating on something simple and sleek like this as well. So that is the basics of Google Slides, and I anticipate there'll be more in the future for these. In our next tutorial and last tutorial for the Google apps, we're going to be exploring a little bit of Google Classroom. So I'm Victoria, and we will see you on the next ETMN Google Apps and iOS tutorial. Thanks for watching.